the last video, we talked about how you can connect Google Analytics with your HubSpot website. Today, we are going to tell you about a little bit more advanced tool, which is Google Search Console, and how you can connect Google Search Console with your HubSpot website in order to track more details about your traffic and the inbound traffic which is coming, for which search results are you ranking, where are your linking sources coming from, and all of those detailed stuff which you want to know. All of those can be easily understood via connection to Search Console, and today we are going to tell you the same. Guys, in order to enable the Google Search Console integration inside HubSpot, firstly you need to click on the Marketplace icon on the top right. Go to App Marketplace. Here you get options to integrate a lot of different apps inside HubSpot, and here you will search for Google Search Console. So here's the option to enable the Google Search Console integration. Now you finally click on the Install App button and install this integration. Click on Install App. It will connect you to your Google Search Console account. Choose the appropriate app, click on Continue, then click on Allow, and finally the integration would be done. Once this is connected, now we can proceed further. Once the Google Search Console integration shows up inside your connected apps, now you can also click on the Actions button over here. You can go to Settings. So here we have the URLs which we can add to our Google Search Console account, and then there are options for connected sites as well. So we can add those Google Search Console properties over here to have access to them inside our HubSpot account. So guys, I hope this was easy to understand, and in case you are still running into any sorts of issues or troubles, do let us know about them in the comment section below. It's open and yes, absolutely free. You can comment down below and we will try our best to assist you. In case you are building something custom of your own, we at CT9 will be more than happy to assist you. Do scan the QR code on the screen in front of you so that we can assist you on a free one-on-one consultation call. And I'll see you guys soon in the next awesome video.